Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit any videos you've taken on your iPhone to make them look great. Keep in mind though, what makes a video look good is personal and subjective. It all depends on what style you're going for. But with these steps, I'll show you how to enhance your videos so you can make them look the way you like. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and find the video you want to edit. Once you've selected the video, tap it to open, then hit Edit in the top right corner. The first thing you'll see is the timeline slider at the bottom. Use this to trim the start and end of your video, cutting out any unwanted footage and making your video cleaner and more focused. Next, you'll see the filter icon, which looks like 3 overlapping circles. Tap on that to explore different filters that can instantly change the style of your video. Whether you want a bright, vibrant look with the vivid filter, a moody effect with dramatic, or even a black and white style with mono, you've got plenty of options to play around with. If you want more control over the look of your video, tap the adjustment icon, which looks like a dial with dots around it. This is where you can fine-tune elements like exposure, brightness, and contrast. Increasing the brightness can make your video pop, while adjusting the contrast will give it more depth. If your video needs a bit more color, tweaking the saturation will help make those colors stand out. Another important tool is the crop icon, which lets you adjust the framing of your video. You can straighten the video, rotate it, or zoom in to focus on what really matters. This is a great way to enhance the composition of your shot if it wasn't framed perfectly when you recorded it. When you're happy with the edits, just tap Done to save the changes. But if you want to take your video editing to the next level, there are plenty of third-party apps out there, like iMovie or Adobe Premiere Rush, that offer more advanced editing features. Personally, I'd recommend checking out CapCut. It's a free app available in the App Store, and it offers a lot of color presets that can really enhance your video. You can even preview how each preset will look and adjust the intensity to get the effect just right. Some of the features are paid, but there are plenty of free options that are still great for improving your video's overall look. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more editing tips and tutorials. See you later.